Hi everyone, my name is Urs, and in this video we are going to discuss about best coding project in 2023 in this video. First one is a website development or app development. Basically, when you develop a website or app, then you can learn about HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and many other things. You can learn about how a website works, how it creates, and how it functions, and how it will works in these things. And why should you learn website development? First question is, you should learn a website development because from development you can learn about various websites, how websites are really work, how it is created, and what it can be impact on the people, and it will make your coding portfolio very well, so you should make it. Second project you can make is game development. When you develop a game, you come across with the various things like numpy, pandas, and various things. First of all, you need to learn about Python to build a game, because Python is a very easy language, basically, I think. And Python have various libraries, so you can build a game easily through GamePy or Panda and many other things. Third project you can make is a AR or a VR development. After metaverse coming out, there are multiple things are coming on AR and VR, so you can also check it out and it will help you. Third project you can make is a machine development. After coming out of a chat GPT, the machine learning, it goes insanely out, because machine learning it's a really great thing. And a machine learning helps you to build a project which are really good. From machine learning you can also build AI, so from that AI you can learn, you can solve many problems. And for machine learning also you need to learn a Python is a really great language. You can start with it if you never code before. Fourth project you can make is related to prompt engineering, because prompt engineering going insane after ChatGPT came out. And it helps you a lot, because prompt engineering it might be a future. And going into it helps you to build something really fun and great project. And chatbots you can make, and you can learn about AI and how to build a system, so you can learn about it also. I hope you like the video, you get the value from the video. And if you get the value from this video, then you can share this video with your friends, and you can comment below, I watched till the end, it means a lot. Thanks for watching.